The love he has for Elsie and Lindsay is truly awe-inspiring. And I hope someday that I can handle fatherhood with the grace that he has.
I've been so lucky to have Lindsay in my life. I go to her for everything, whether it be a ridiculous question in the middle of the workday that I probably could have Googled, or if I'm going through a bad time. Lindsay has always been there for me, no matter how big or how small.
I, Barrett,
Take you, Lindsay,
to be my wife.
to be my wife.
I promise to be true to you
I promise to be true to you
in good times and in bad,
in good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health.
in sickness and in health.
I will love you and honor you
I will love you and honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life. It's Mama and Dad, Dad.